Opposites attract is one of the oldest cliches out there which we've been conditioned to believe. But think about it. When you first meet someone and start to awkwardly banter, you look for something similar to recognize in the other person that you can connect with. When you realize you have something in common, you will be interested to continue talking. But if you talk to someone and realize they have way different values, beliefs, and thoughts than you will probably walk away and have no interest in building a relationship with that person. And that's why opposites don't attract. By the end of this speech, I believe you will agree that the myth opposites attract is not true. We will be focusing on the next points. Opposites don't attract according to studies and science. Opposites attract myth and the impact on people in that kind of relationship. People who are similar attract and the advantages of that kind of relationship.
Opposites don't attract according to studies and science. One of the studies, which was published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, found a paradigm shift in how we view our relationships. In order to discover how important similarity was in forming relationships, Professor Angela Barnes and her researchers approached over 1,500 random pairs and surveyed them on their values, prejudices, attitudes, and personality traits. Here are reasons why opposites don't attract, according to science and experts. People with similar personalities are happier in their relationships. Similarity is the key to a long-lasting relationship. Chris Grandel, professor of psychology at the University of Kansas, explained this. You try to create a social world where you are comfortable, where you succeed, where you have people you can trust, and with whom you can cooperate to meet your goals. To create this, similarity is very useful, and people are attracted to it most of the time. As we can see, studies proves that opposites don't attract.
Opposites attract myth and the impact on people in that kind of relationship. It is very important to choose wisely about who you want to be in a relationship with. When you are in a relationship with someone, you are preparing your future with this person. Choosing an incompatible person as your partner, you can get bored easily or you may experience problems and many frustrations. In the long run, this won't keep you interested, the same with any other relationship. Your values are based on your experiences in life and will have an impact on everything. We are now going to look further at different values in a relationship.
Differences in religion, politics, or morality means it's obvious that they're going to run into problems in the relationship. It isn't healthy to try to impose your beliefs on a person. The differences will always be there and it will always cause tension between the two of you. If one spouse believes that career is the top priority and the other puts family first, the argument will be eternal. Either be outward criticism and fighting or by going underground with general dissatisfaction or depression. If the values are significantly different, it's unlikely that even the best communication will be enough.
After looking at a few examples of differences that may occur, we can see that there is a strong view on incompatible people in a relationship. People with different views, values, morals, etc. will never have a long and happy relationship without any problems.
People who are similar attract and the advantages of that kind of relationship. People who are similar to each other attract more than people who have a different point of view. People with a vary of differences tend to clash and fight more. Evidence contradicts the idea that couples can change each other over time. It means similarity is an important factor for striking up a successful relationship from the very beginning. Relationships take a lot of work and compromise to make them last. It's easier the more similar you are to one another because you already agree. A 2003 study from the journal Proceedings of the National Academy in Science found, in fact, that people really want to be romantically connected to someone they view as being very similar to themselves. They prefer someone of a similar level of attractiveness, wealth and status, and commitment to family and monogamy.
A study done at the University of Kansas and Wellesley College has found that the phrase opposites attract is pretty much only applicable to magnets, which is not human.
We hope you see now that the more similar you are, the happier you'll be on the long term. Being attracted to each other gives you a feeling of belong, the feeling we all strive for. So next time when you choose a partner, choose wisely.